Hello everyone and welcome to this vlog. So this will be my first ever vlog. Have been planning to make a vlog from very long. So अभी मौका भी है दस्तूर भी है and thought of giving it a shot. And please pardon my GoPro mic because I didn't have a proper gears for that, and it was an experimental vlog. So I will be doing sounds over for most of the parts. So that hope you enjoy this my small little journey with me and my Tatya. Roll it back.
Good morning. It is 1st of December 2021 and yeah, getting ready to go to IVW Pune, aka Lonavala.
So the packing is done. All the luggage is loaded on the bike. Got 2 bags here, covered with rain cover. Bike checked and ready to go. So I've hit the road and out of Nanded city. So today is 1st of December. Plan is to stay at Aurangabad. So my route will be from Nanded to Aunda. The road is good. From Aunda to Jalna, the road is so-so, and from Jalna to Aurangabad, and I will have a stay in the Aurangabad. Oh God, this speed breakers. And yeah, so that will be our complete plan. Here come the road kings. Hi buddy, hi. They own the road now, so they can drive however they want on this road. Let me get ahead of this bus, yeah. It's always fun to pull this bike, yeah. That's what you can do when you have 800cc under you. Let's continue. Well. Look at where we are. There goes the Instagram story, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, that's my Insta handle. Please do go follow. So now we are on Aunda Road. Basically, it's a brand new road, literally Kora Road, and it has a speed limit of 100 km per hour. But being responsible driver, we are driving at 80-90 because it's a countryside road, and we are a responsible driver. You never know, someone just wish to pop up on the road and give you a visit. So being safe side, going good. It's kind of hard to speak and drive bike because we are not used to it. It kind of is stupid talking to self. Now you are watching it, so you will be feeling like I'm having a conversation with you. But when I am shooting this right now, I feel like a complete stupid. So after almost cruising for 1 hour on this butter smooth road, it was time to leave this road and head to a road like this. Okay, so good part about such road is like there was no traffic, and there are not much potholes. But bad part is like road is not even. Like they make another layer over an old road, and the layer get worn off, and you get such road. And it's kind of a get bored to ride on this road because you cannot speed. Like you cannot gain some good speeds, and you get frustrated if you have to ride in traffic more in such roads. It's 1:52 p.m. right now. Temperature is 27. Kind of feeling the heat, and we are at a very special kind of place, you can say, because how can I say? This was a turn when I was coming from Pune. This was a turn, and it was evening time. There was a beautiful sunset going on. You can see the photo which I clicked when I stopped. But when I was about to stop, I was kind of tired, and it was a long journey. Bike was not clean and serviced, so the side stand got quite a jam. So when I opened it, and I just flicked the stand, but it went back, and I thought the stand was on. And as I was tired looking at the sunset, I just tilted the bike, put on the stand, and. So that's the day when I was coming back from Pune and thought of taking a good picture of sunset with my bike, and this was my failed attempt to show you the sunset, and then this happened.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
स्टँड निघालच नाही. थँक्यू. जस्ट टू हिट यार, ये मिरर गई देखो, मिरर बेंड हो गया, बाकी कुछ नहीं लगा. थैंक यू.
And there was a movement like, I want to tell, oh fuck, there is no stand and we are fucked. And I was so tired that I didn't even try to stop the bike. So this mirror got bent. There was luggage tied to my rear seat, so it rested on the back bag and this handlebar. Luckily nothing got damaged. The handlebar was okay, but this mirror got bent. That time I had this reverse way, so it took a direct hit from the ground and this was bent. But luckily it was not much. I just removed this glass, took a mallet, put on a soft bed, rubber bed, and just hammered it to level it out. And luckily, not have to replace this. So right now, a bit tired, not tired, dizzy I can say. So far, going good. I will see you in a bit.
Okay, so right now we are ahead of Jintur. Aurangabad is almost 150 km from here, and just now hit a pump really hard and stopped at this place. As you can see a bit, here is our bike. So after cruising for 2 or more such hour, I took almost 3 hours to reach to Aurangabad from that point, last point. And the road was good, as you can see, so I was holding some good speeds around here.
Most of the road is good, and in a few kilometers we will be at the spot, the lake, Jalna Lake, where I made my last reel, which reached a lot, like almost 1.5 lakh people. I'm a bit feeling of fatigue right now. Temperature is 24 and it's getting a bit cold now because the weather is cloudy. And from here till Aurangabad I reach, I'll be facing some serious traffic as last time. But we are a bit early today. Last time I was late. I was on the Jalna Aurangabad road by 5. Today it's 3:20. And within 20 minutes we will onto that road. Oh man, it's getting cold. Here is the famous garden. My mama used to live in Aurangabad. In childhood we used to come here. I think so there is zoo also here, no? It's now closed from the lockdown. Yet not open. And here we are on to the famous, while this person is sticking his hand out. Man, stick your hand in, man. Here is the Jalna Lake, famous. So we will stop here somewhere. I want to make this iconic place whenever I come here. So I want to stop here, take a break, and then continue my journey. So here are we at the spot.
So after that I reached Aurangabad. Luckily I got no traffic on the way. The road was best, and I got checked into my hotel and just crashed because I was super tired. In the evening I met some of my friends, had some dinner, and went to sleep. On the early morning I tried to get up early because I don't want to face the traffic, so tried to leave Aurangabad as early as possible. So the journey continues. I don't want to make you bored, and I wanted to keep this first vlog short and sweet, and we will be having more vlog, like a series of vlog, like the complete IBW. So please stay tuned, and if you like this my first experimental vlog, please do let me know in the comments, and it will help me for my feedback, and please do drop a like. Saying that, see you all, have a nice day, and continue what you are doing. Bye bye.
Thank you.